Good old pie. Such a cornerstone of American dessert culture. So rich, so sweet, so warm. Such a complete pain in Excel. A pie chart is a needy and whiny chart. It needs only the value labels and then one value for each label. That is it. But I want to add an entire column of data together and show what I need, you say. No, bad. If you want that, you need a pivot chart, pie style. A pie chart alone cannot do that. Anyway, so make your traditional pie chart is pretty straightforward. Highlight the column titles along with the one value you have per column. Click the Insert tab and then the Pie Chart button. Select the style that you want and your beautiful tasty pie will appear. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. If you're struggling with a certain topic in Excel, make sure to put it in the comments below and I'll make a video on it. Thanks again.